us all believers, a generation of renegades. We don't have to stay alone. So brother, sister, can you see our light guide us home? And paint the sky with our energy, so they can see us from outer space. Through the dark we will radiate. They're gonna see us from outer all the faces in this ocean come together, making memories in motion.